Welcome to Flavor Flex, good food, good mood, where it's all about having a great time in the kitchen.
Last time I was at Cheesecake Factory, we ordered the Korean fried cauliflower, and it was to die for. I had to have the recipe. I had to have it. It might be worth dying for.
All right, let's get started on the cauliflower. For the Korean chili sauce, you want to check out Flavor Short that shows how to make that. That's what we're going to use as the sauce on this. Incredible. You want to make that. You get a head of cauliflower, cut it into bite-sized pieces. We're going to take 8 teaspoons of rice flour. Add to it a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder. Give it about a half a teaspoon of pepper, and just mix that all together. We're going to take our bag of cauliflower. This is the easiest way I found to do it. Rather than in a bowl, just put it in a bag. And you're going to shake that over top. And then you're going to take your cauliflower and just shake it around. Make sure everything gets a little bit of a coating. Toss it in the bowl. Set that aside, and we're going to make our batter. Start off with 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's give that a quick stir, and then we're going to add in 1 cup of very cold water. Now you're going to meet me at the stove with the cauliflower. Now we're going to take our batter and pour it over our rice floured cauliflower. Just give that a quick mix to get it coated, and let's get it in some hot oil. Now into oil at about 375 degrees, let's drop in the cauliflower. When they're light brown and crispy like that, take them out and drain them. Now we're going to brush or drizzle on our Korean sauce that we made. Drizzle that on. Garnish with some green onions, some sesame seeds, and some lime zest. Wow, would you check it out? That looks amazing. Let's give it a try. Wow. I am so glad somebody found me that recipe. This is so incredibly delicious. You've got to make this. Every time I go there, I order this. Here's to good food, good mood, good family, and good friends.